There's a wonderful saying by John Lennon. Life is all about you make your plans, and life has got its own plans. My friends, whatever plans that we have, let us have God as the ultimate value. Life is what happens to you when you make another plans. The words of John Lennon, the great musician. The hidden treasure, the precious pearl, and the net full of fishes. What a wonderful breaking ways God comes into people's life. The three wonderful parables. Each time that you read, it generates each time new meanings. How differently God engages in the life of the people, and how unexpected. Some people search, some people do not, and there is a judgment between the good and the bad at the end. These are the substance of these three parables. My friends, for a lot of people, when they encounter the Lord in their life, that becomes the most ultimate value, and they commit their life fully to the Lord. We have seen wonderful saints in the church: Saint Augustine, Saint Thomas Aquinas, Thomas Merton, a great mystic writer who lived in our own times, who had a very secular living, later having this great Christ experience. He commits himself to be a Trappist monk, and his wonderful writings always motivating millions of people around the world. There is a beautiful story about the life of Saint Thomas Aquinas. After finishing the third portion of the Summa Theologica, he just feeling this overpowering of the grace of the Lord in his life. Moved with the divine spirit, he just goes to the chapel, kneels before the altar. At the crucifix, he looks and prays. He feels that Jesus is speaking to him, and Jesus talked to him. Thomas, you have written very beautifully about me. What do you want as a reward? Thomas replies, Lord, I do not want any reward. I just would like to write about you. That's all. Because I love you so much. My friends, in the life of St. Thomas Aquinas, Lord was the value. Jesus was his ultimate value. And he wanted that knowledge and the wisdom with which he wrote this wonderful Summa Theologica and many other writings. When we look into the life of any other people, Saint Augustine or anybody, we can see that Jesus becomes their ultimate value. Young people, when they come to talk to us, encountering Christ changes everything. They leave their harsh past and takes up a new life with a new commitment, a new motivation. The first reading, Solomon is asked by the Lord, by God, what do you want? Solomon is asking, I want the wisdom. I want the knowledge, the understanding to judge between the good and the bad. The three wonderful parables that we have, the hidden treasure that this man finds. And in order to possess that one, he has to buy that piece of land, because that land was not his. He sells everything that he has and goes and purchases that land. It is only then he can possess it. That was Jewish law. And the second reading, this most precious pearl. The pearl takes years of formation in order to be the beautiful one. The man who searches for it knows it. He takes all the pain, struggle and sacrifices in order to purchase that one, because that will make his life the most awesome one. And the third parable, the net that is bringing full of fishes. And there is a difference, there is a dividing between the good and the bad. What are these three parables talking to us? The first parable, the hidden treasure. There is no search. It is revealed, it is unveiled to that man in the most unexpected way, in an ordinary way. In the second one, there is a quest, there is a search, and he finds it. And on the third one, the net full of fishes, talks that there is finally a judgment, and you need to know where you will be belonging, on the good side or on the bad side. Life has its own turns and maneuvers. And none of us love to have a scripted living. We love life when there is turns and joys and there are times sorrows, because that's what making the life a wholesome one. None of us like these movies or novels that are already the stories are anticipated. You would like to have changes and turns taking over, happy accidents, beautiful moves, changes happening. And the life of the people in these parables, this is what was happening. God was breaking into their life, and that changes everything because they possess God, and God becomes their ultimate value. My friends, thinking about these wonderful parables, reflecting on them on this 17th Sunday in the ordinary time, let us ask the good Lord that God may be the ultimate value in our life. And finally, there is a judgment. We need to know, we need to decide where we will be belonging, on the good and on the bad. It's a wonderful saying by John Lennon. Life is all about you make your plans, and life has got its own plans. My friends, whatever plans that we have, let us have God as the ultimate value. In this time of COVID-19, let us take God as a possession, and He can fill our life with hope and peace. May God bless you all.